Spencer with Limitless Transfers here, and today I'm going to walk you through how we do our RGB to CMYK conversion. This also works for Pantone colors, hex colors. Ultimately, we want our artwork to be in CMYK because that's going to give us the most accurate prints. Navy in particular, if you don't convert it to CMYK, it tends to be way off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my vector artwork here, I'm going to ungroup it, and when I click on these different objects, you can see these are all in RGB. So the way we like to fix it is we will make some color swatches, and then we're going to use our eyedropper tool to get all these colors. Now I'm going to duplicate by clicking, dragging, and then right-clicking to make copies of everything. And I'm going to take each one of these and convert them to CMYK. So as you can see, some of the automatic conversions, they're pretty far off. So what I like to do is come in here and manually adjust just to get them as close as possible. So now that we have our conversions, I'm not sure which graphic design software you're working in, but with our version of Corel we have a find and replace tool. If you don't see it over here, I believe you can go to let's see, Window, Dockers, and then in here you'll find and replace, which will add it over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find this RGB color and replace it with this CMYK color. We'll do replace all, and then we're going to repeat the process for every other color. An important side note is when you're doing this, you want to make sure all of these boxes are checked. In case you have any fountain fills or outlines, you want those to be converted as well. So now that we've done all those conversions, we can come back here and double check, make sure everything is now in CMYK, which it looks like it is. And now you can group it and start making your gang sheet. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, always feel free to reach out.